Hey everyone! Alternating ankle to alternating can touch stand with feet shoulder width apart. Bend your torso and reach one hand to the opposite ankle while keeping your core tight. Return toe standing and switch sides. This move strengthens obliques, lower abs and improves flexibility. It also enhances coordination and burns calories, making it an effective exercise for a defined midsection while increasing in mobility and core standing side crunch stability. Standing side crunch stands with hands behind your head. Lift one knee toward your elbow while crunching to the side, engaging the obliques. Lower and switch sides. This move targets the side abs, improving with lean definition while enhancing balance and coordination. It also helps strengthen the hip flexors and stabilizes the lower back, making it great for core endurance and sculpting. A lean high knee skips midsection. High knee skip. Jump while driving one knee toward your chest. Then switch rapidly, pumping your arms. Maintain a strong core and steady rhythm. This explosive movement torches belly fat, engages the entire core, and boosts cardiovascular endurance. It enhances agility, burns calories quickly, and activates fast twitch muscle fibers, helping to shred fat and define abs while improving speed and body weight. Wood copper scodiane body weight wood chopper stand with feet shoulder width apart. Swing both hands diagonally from above your own shoulder to the opposite hip in a controlled chopping motor. Return and repeat on the other side. This rotational move strengthens obliques, deep core muscles, and lower back, improving functional strength and waistline definition. It also enhances coordination and helps with explosive aerodynamical heel toucher power. Alternate heel toucher lie on your back with knees bent, feet flat. Reach one hand to touch the same side heel, engaging your obliques. Alternate sides in a steady rhythm. This move isolates the obliques, defining the waist while improving lateral core strength. It also enhances endurance in the abdominal muscles, making it an effective exercise for achieving a well-defined rush and twist six-pack. Rush and twist. Sit with knees bent, feet slightly off the ground on lean back. Rotate your torso, touching the ground side to side with both hands. Keep your core tight and movement controlled. This powerful exercise works the obliques, deep core, and lower back, helping to sculpt abs while improving rotational strength, balance, and stability. It also increases endurance and fat-burning potential. Tuck, crunch. Lie on your back, hands by your sides. Pull your knees toward your chest while lifting your upper body, engaging the full core. Lower slowly and repeat. This move effectively targets upper and lower abs, helping to build core strength, improve muscle tone, and accelerate six-pack development. It also strengthens the hip flexors and lower back, enhancing stability and mobility. Reverse crunch. Lie on your back, knees bent at 90. Lift your legs towards your chest, curling your lower back off the floor, then lower slowly. This move focuses on the lower abs, strengthening and tightening the lower belly. It also engages the hip flexors, improves core stability, and enhances muscle endurance, making it one of the best exercises for sculpting lower abdominal. Mountain climber definition. Mountain climber. Start in a plank position. Drive your knees toward your chest in a running motion, keeping your core tight and back straight. This full body move burns fat fast, engages the abs, shoulders, and legs, and boosts endurance. It increases heart rate, improves coordination, and enhances core stability, making it an excellent exercise for shredding belly fat and building a strong tone physique.